Hello everybody and welcome to my Let's Play. It's really loud in my headphones, so I'm going to do this and then I'll probably cut it, and yeah, that's really loud. That's really loud. Okay, hang on one second while I do this. We recommend using headphones. Oh, well the fucking headphones are too loud. Alright, adjust the brightness by moving the slider into the port. Okay. Barely visible. That's barely visible. Okay. Select a profile to load. Okay, let's do that one. Oh, load. Okay. Maka. It's so weird. I can't hear myself at all. Oh, I'm a distinguished gentleman. I can't hear myself at all. Like, I don't even know if I'm talking right now. This is... Okay, load. There's a furious and immersive game experience in which every decision affects the narrative. As in life, it is the doors you open, the memories you take with you, and the shadows you explore that will define who you are. This may be our game, but it is your journey. Alright, let's go into settings. Let's turn down the sound. Down. Down. Oh, that's better. It's still loud, but that's better. Wait, reset. Okay, so... Alright, okay, so anyways, like I said, my name is Maka, and I've never played this game before. It was actually recommended to me by one of my friends. So let's give it a shot. Hopefully this doesn't get that loud. Actually, hang on one second. Let me do this. Okay, that's so much better. Alright, now let's choose a new game and see what happens. Spooky, scary skeletons send shivers down your spine? No, I don't believe you. No, of course not. Ooh, rain. Well, that's good because it's raining outside.
I know how you must feel.
You do?
Lost. Alone.
Oh, it sounds like my therapist.
You probably deserve it.
Oh.
But even for you, there is still a way. A way to bring it all back.
Maybe it's not my therapist.
The one precious thing you ever truly desired. Finish it.
What do I finish? Every portrait that is painted with feeling is a portrait of the artist. Most of the Oscar Wilde, the picture of Dorian Gray. Whenever I hear the name Dorian, I always think about The Mask. You know, with Jim Carrey and stuff. That's the name of the villain. Okay, so we got naked children. What a great way to start the game. I'm not going into the FBI's most wanted list or anything. Women falling over. Oh. Well, I have to say the sound quality is really good, and the walking is very realistic. It kind of reminds me of Condemned Criminal Origins. Oh. Why? Frame drop. Alright, okay, let's just do the thing. Oh. Oh, it's one of those games. Oh, this is gonna be like a run and hide kind of game, isn't it? Dear sir, we would like to ask you to cease bothering our pest control specialists, as well as refrain from sending us any more of your highly inappropriate letters. I'll have you know that my mother is a respectable woman and does not take kindly to such accusations. All of our employees that visited your house reported absolutely no signs of a rodent infestation of any kind, and as such decided not to act further than as that word spraying. Please treat this letter as a final warning, or else the lawyer's next envelope you'll receive will be from our lawyers. With best regards, Carl Denton, Pesky Pacification Company. Alright then. Ooh, what's this? It's a Ooh. Okay, more things to look at. An artist's triumph gallery opening wows critics. Some call him the new Caravaggio. Others compare him to Van Eyck, and one awestruck critic who wished to remain unnamed went as far to invoke the spirit of the great Leonardo. Anyway you slice it, the exposition proved an immense success. Blah, blah, blah. Distinct style has been praised for its unique combination of Renaissance influences and more progressive techniques. The artist himself attended the event of the company. Blah, 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 blah. Okay then. Oh, no, stop it. Sorry, my computer is a bit laggy. Maybe I will... Ooh, what's this? Ooh! They're into that kind of stuff, huh? Alright, let me see. London... poppies? Oh! Wow! Wow, that's really impressive. Okay. Okay, alright, cool. Let me put you down now. Yes, thank you. Alright. Okay, so... the famous artist, I guess, lived here. Or something. Why I'm here, I don't know. Oh, the sink's going in there. Isn't that fantastic? Oh, shimmer. Maybe we should turn off the water? Is there a light? Oh, thank God. Ooh, I can't see myself. I'm a vampire. I know I am. Oh. Open sesame. Open sesame. Alright. Is this door opening the game? Below knee prosthesis. How the hell did they... yeah, okay. Oh, how'd I do that? How the hell did they fuck up the length? I don't know. Alright, a toilet. Ooh! I need to shit right now! Oh, sorry. My dog's sitting right next to me and just got spooked. By me. Ooh, what's this? Rat poison. Contains ant tool. Man, that's such a depressing image. Why don't you just, like, say rat poison? And then that's it. End of story. You don't have to show us the disturbing image of the rat dead. Man, the detail is this is just fantastic. Alright. And I'm loving the music. Music is great, too. It's very, very immersive. Oh. Oh, there's paint. Sir, I don't touch the workshop. Just like you asked, although I can't imagine the mess that's inside. Also, if you care so much for that room, maybe you should pay more attention to where you leave the keys. I brought them back to your office. Have a nice day! Alright, so you didn't touch the workshop. Good, good for you. Alright, what about over here? Let me step to the side. Alright, no, nothing in there. Ooh, what's this? A man shaking another man's hand. Alright. Alright, I guess I'll go to the most obvious spot. Oh, God. Lag. Alright. Oh. Well, this is the most well-lit place in the entire damn house that I've seen so far. Oh, wine. Oh, dear. Alright, let's see this. Figured you'd be up all night, so I made you a little treat. You know, I bet even Rembrandt occasionally took time off from being brilliant and shoved his head off like the rest of us common folk. I know, gasp. In other words, get some sleep, you big dummy. I love you. Aw, that's sweet. Alright. Oh, that's okay, alright. What is it with opening doors at my feet? Oh, God, slam, alright. This one? No? Bountiful. Points rose. Dual. Booze. 30. Alright, nothing really big there. Alright. Nothing in there.